I paid $40 for these nightstands on Facebook Marketplace and then soon found out they had been used as the dog's chew toy. So I got busy cleaning, sanding, lots of sanding, and then using Bondo for repairs. I had to do quite a few repairs and multiple layers to get everything nice and clean, and then back to sanding, more sanding. But in the end, I got a nice clean edge. Into the spray tent we go, priming, and then painting in a beautiful crisp white. Taking care of those details, painting the edges, top coat, drilling holes for new hardware, adding some cute drawer liners, and here they are. You'd never know these were formerly a dog chew toy. I hope you like the new crisp, clean aesthetic. These turned out so well. Be sure to follow for more.